Yes, I feel it's very important because we meet with suppliers, we meet with the other operators, we meet with also before this convention there is GSM Africa meeting, and we get a lot of interest in because we meet a lot of people, presentations, we learn a lot, practice, get information. So it's very useful to be here. My company name is Golis Telecommunication Company. We're based in northeast Somalia, and we provide services such as GSM, mobile and fixed internet service provider, and also some places we sell power, electrical power, because no infrastructure. And I think we have opportunity that because not many people are using now the electricity in Somalia, the percentage is very small. So there is many people who need to get mobile and like telecommunication. So we have very good chance, I think, to be in this business. And we have some rural area that we have to cover. We already covered the urban area, and also we want to cover the rural area, because the people who's in the rural area usually need to contact with the urban people, and also urban people wanted to contact with the rural area. And even though it's very expensive to invest in the rural area because there is no infrastructure, so we have to also power. There is no power. There is no roads, and sometimes in some places we have to make our own road and bring our own electricity. Also we have to build a tower and everything from the scratch. So almost we are covering the rural area, and by the time we finish, we think about what's next. But now we're trying to cover the northeast region of Somalia. Now we use microwave backbone, and actually we find it very useful. And for the future, maybe we use WiMAX, but for now we use microwave. Before we were using BDH, but now we want to use SDH because we need more capacity, and we're finding okay. Actually now our customers, they are mostly they mainly they're looking for to make a call. People, some urban people, they like to enjoy the features, but most of the people wanted to make call in order to reach someone. So mainly the people want to make call. We will provide now SMS, and also there is voicemail SMS, and also there is there is some program called Hagmal, which means that you can get some information from the internet to your mobile. You dial some numbers and you can access some information like Google or BBC. You can get some information of the latest news. But also we provide that. But most of the customers, they're looking for to make a call. For now, the local operators will work until the better security comes back and the peace, and everything gets better. Then that time, the other people can invest in Somalia, especially in telecommunication.